In this video, we'll introduce a popular Power Admin feature, reviewing installed apps on a Jira instance and seeing how they're used. As a reminder, Power Admin is a part of CMJ, or it can be purchased as a standalone app. To begin, open Power Admin and select which configuration object to browse. In this first example, let's review apps. Select App from the drop-down menu and click Search. Here, we see all apps installed in this instance. Click Jira Miscellaneous Workflow Extensions and then the location icon. Here, we see that JMWE is used in a post function. This information can be vital in planning a successful cloud migration. You know which apps are installed and where they're used. To summarize, Power Admin includes several features that save time for Jira administrators, including the ability to review installed apps on a Jira instance and see how they're being used.